Just playing around. It can't be too loud inside of my house here. A little residential neighborhood. People get pissed off. So I try to go places, but can't go nowhere today. Car is off. So I'm just using battery power. 12.3, 12.4. Shirt in the window. Shitty cell phone. So we'll just do a quick burp. 25 hertz. Just shows you how much air pressure is coming out of the car. That's 25 hertz. So let's try 30 hertz once. And let's see what we got. We can give it more than that. It'll take it. 25 hertz. More yet? Let's see. Okay, gain's quarter way, volume 64. Try her again. Woo! By the way, my driver's side window is sealed up. So the only air movement is out that window. So, I can find my door crank. I beat the door cranks off all the time. We're going to try it with the driver's window open too, which means it's going to unload my car. Try it one more time here, huh? Whew. I can feel my hair going nuts. One more burp. My voltage hasn't even moved. Got battery power for days. No charging. Here we go. Woo. Guys wanna see what the subs look like, huh? Nice. Let's watch the rearview mirror. Oh, you can't see that too much. And we'll try 30 hertz one time here. See what that does. Whew. My hair is moving like crazy.